guys, Callie Fab here, and today it is Advent Calendar, Project Pan, time, day, whatever. It is the beginning of March, not the 1st of March. I always do my monochromatic project pans on the 1st of March, so hopefully it's the 2nd or 3rd of March. But we are doing my Advent Calendar today. I have finished up 2 more items, and I'm like getting close on a couple more, so I'm ready to pull new ones. I still haven't fixed door number 1 yet. It's here. I cannot find my glue gun, like my hot glue gun, anywhere in this household. I'm pretty sure my husband packed it up in a box somewhere in the basement, but clearly I cannot find it. So this is where we are, and yeah, we're gonna open up a couple more after I show you guys the products that I finished and the ones that I am currently working on. Yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm ready, I'm excited. I'm finally feeling better. I had a pretty bad sickness going on in February. I did not film much, to be totally honest, and I did not wear makeup much, so that's why some of these products don't really have any progress at all. And you know, I'm working on other things and other projects, so that's just kind of where we are. Okay, so I keep my Advent Calendar items in here. So the first thing I actually finished up, but it's not really technically in this project. It was just in my drawer, but I said I wasn't gonna start using the one in this project until I got this one finished. If that makes any sense. I was using the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. This one does have a natural bristle brush, which I really enjoy. And as you can see, there's only the tiniest bit of product on the end there, but there is like literally nothing on the brush anymore. So this one is a finished product, which means that this new MAC one can go in, and this one is the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. So I opened it today to use it, and immediately I was like, oh, is that bad when you open something and immediately don't want to use it? So this is not a natural bristle brush. This is a very synthetic style brush, which is definitely not my favorite, but to get the full effect of this actual mascara, to see how I like it, if I would ever repurchase it, I was really tempted to take the brush out of this one and put it in this one, but that's not the point of using up items. The point of using up items is to figure out if you like them or not, especially in these little tiny sample sizes. So therefore, I'm gonna leave this one alone and keep using this one in my drawer here. So I guess that one's not really technically considered a finished product, but it is now a product that I am currently in rotation of using, and that if I do my makeup consistently at least 4 to 5 days a week in the month of March, then we should be able to get that one finished up within a month. Those have the smallest amount of product in it. I figured it out. I don't remember how I figured it out, but I feel like I had an old one that I had to toss last year, and it was 0.04 ounces. So that's kind of what I'm using to calculate the amount of money used up for these. So anyways, this is my next one here. This is a completely finished product. I got 3 uses out of it, and it is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. It says smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. So I really did like this one. I loved the smell of it. It smells like the strongest black coffee you've ever smelled. Oh, it smells so good. The little scrubbing bits were very nice in it. I did think it was quite moisturizing because there was like an oil base in it as well, which I did appreciate. But I did not feel like my skin was clean. It was exfoliated and scrubbed, but I didn't feel clean, if that makes sense. So the days where I used this, I did the scrub all over my body, and then I did my like liquid body wash after, and it was really nice. My skin was super soft, especially when I noticed from using this to not using it. It was really nice, and I do think the 3 solid uses that I got were like full body uses. So there was a fair amount in here, 0.7 ounces, and I did quite enjoy it, but it is finished. It is gone out of the collection, and empties, here it comes. So the next items are items that I'm like currently and actively using. So this one is one I've been using, I would say 3 days a week or 3 nights a week, because I only use it at night. It is a very thick moisturizer, and my skin feels quite oily when I wake up. I have such dry skin, you guys, and if I'm saying my skin feels oily, I don't think that this is the best product for me. but I am going to use it until it's gone because there's only a little bit left. It is from Mud Masky. It is the Sleep Repair Renewal Renourishing or just regular nourishing mask. And it says pH balanced. So I thought this was like a face mask at first, and I have used an actual face mask, like a clay mask from them previously, and I loved it. This one, however, I'm just not loving using, which is why I'm only using it 3 days a week. I don't know that it's breaking me out. I have been breaking out quite a bit lately, but I've also been switching my diet to a more natural plant-based diet, so I think my skin and my body is detoxing as well. I don't know, you guys. Also, I haven't been wearing my ring in my last couple of videos. I don't know if you guys have known. I am still married. I'm happily married. I feel like I should have disclaimed this at the very beginning, but I've been getting this really bad rash underneath my ring, so I've been kind of giving my finger some time to get it off my skin basically, and kind of time for my skin to heal there. So I am still married, don't worry. And this necklace, if you guys are curious, I will show you. It's like a little clamshell. It's got a little starfish on it, and when you open it up, it's got a little tiny pearl in there. So cute. My son got this for me from Daytona. So I've been wearing this a lot. It's costume jewelry, but still, the fact that he thought of me to get it, I just love it. Okay, that was a long rant for nothing. Okay, so the next thing that I'm probably going to have used up by the next update is this perfume. It is the Versace Bright Crystal. So this is all I have left in here, and to gauge it, what everybody's saying to do, to turn it on its side so you can actually see. So we are less than halfway on that, and then including what I put in my Sephora atomizer, however you want to say it. This is the rest of what was in here. So I have refilled this once already, and this is what I have left from the second refill, or the first refill I should say. So I do think that there's about half of this product left. I don't wear it every day, but when I do wear it, I really enjoy it. I am wearing it today, and it just smells so fresh and delicious. I don't know that I would buy the full size, but I do really like it. Okay guys, so items I have used occasionally. I've worn this Bite Beauty multi-stick in almond twice now, I believe. It's really pretty. I don't have any progress to show you. It is quite dark. I don't think I'm going to be able to get away with this in the summertime, but here in the, I guess, winterish spring and the fall, definitely this is more of a fall color for me, so I'm kind of banking on wearing this a lot then. But right now it's okay. I just don't think spring and summer is a good time for that color. Then I have the Benefit What's Up highlighter. I've only used this once or twice also on no makeup days, which really means moisturizer, primer, a little bit of highlighter, and maybe mascara if I'm in the mood. So I really just put a little bit of highlighter and primer on my skin so it looks kind of a little bit more fresh and dewy. My skin's real dry, guys. Okay. And then the very last thing that I've actually worn a handful of times since I've started this project is the Real Her, what is it, Girl Power in the shade Mauve. And I really quite enjoy this. So here is our progress on that. I'm probably not going to take a screenshot of this one just because I know there's not a ton of progress, but we are getting there on this one, and I do think that this will actually be finished up by the end of the year. I don't know, I am enjoying using this, and when I see myself with this on camera, I think it looks really, really good with my skin tone. So not sure how it's going to look in the summertime, but you know, we'll see. So that is everything I'm currently working on, including the MAC mascara. So I just need more options, and I think that that's why I'm having a hard time using things, because I have 2 lipsticks, I have a highlighter that's going to take a long time, but I already have a cream highlighter that's in my Partners in Cream project pan, and I have a perfume, which, you know, I can use up, but I'm just, you know, I'm feeling like I need something new, something fresh to revive this. So I don't know what number we ended up on. Okay, I think we are on number 6, so we've gotten through numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are on number 6, and I do see little products in there, so let's open her up. Ooh, there's 2 products in there. Okay. Look how good he fit those in there. Look at this. He like fit them in so perfectly. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we have it looks like a chapstick lip balm. It's a lip balm. It is from Beaker Paris. It is the Water Balm. It says it's made in France. It is 0.07 ounces, and it just looks like a potted lip balm. I can definitely use this. I have been finishing up my Vaseline one, so hopefully that won't be gone anytime soon. But I am excited to try this. This is a water balm. I've never tried anything like this. And I don't know if it's actually called Beaker. That's what I called it. It's called BKR Paris, so I could be wrong. And then the other product, I've never tried this. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this. This is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I probably could have used it today because my under eyes are real bad lately. This is brand new. I have never ever used this before, and I am actually really excited to try this. I can definitely wear this on my no makeup days, but she is just a little tiny baby size, and this is 0.08 ounces. Alright, so we have a chapstick, under eye corrector. That's a pretty good variety. I think I want to open one more door though. One more, right? I kind of told myself I would open up at least 2 a month, but I know we're kind of ahead, but we're kind of behind too because I haven't finished up as many products as I've opened. So let's do number 7. It's a big one, so hopefully there's more products in there. Number 7. Oh, it's like stuck. I can see it in there. I'm kind of excited. Oh, I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, got it. Door number 7 has 2 items in there. My son did a really good job like shoving things in here. So we have a Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade 02 Nothing But Nude, and I am happy to have this because the only other lip liner I have in my drawer right now is a very pink one. So, and this one's definitely never been used. Oh, that is super pretty. I can definitely use that on an everyday basis. And let's see, oh, it is automatic, no way. Perfect. I hate having to sharpen these. Like ColourPop ones, you have to sharpen, it drives me nuts. So perfect, I'm excited to try that. And then we have a lip gloss, so he put 2 lip products in the same door, which is fine because obviously he didn't know, he was just putting stuff in. So we have the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in the shade Pure Peach. I think that is Pure Peach. So it is just a little mini sample guide. This one is definitely going to be going in my pocket at work. I'm right now just currently using a chapstick. Oh, I love how these smell. And I think this is like, yeah, it does have like a light baby pink color to it, but I can definitely work with that at work. So this one is going to be my next lip gloss to finish. I could probably finish this within a month. Let's see. It's 0.04 ounces. I can definitely finish that within a month. So that will be my plan, to have this lip gloss completely finished, the perfume completely finished, and the Mud Masky completely finished. So I'm hoping to have 4 total products done, and probably that black MAC mascara as well. So 4 products, 1, 2, 3, yes, 4 products. So if I can get 4 products done this month, then I can add in more next month. I'm really excited, and just continue working on the other products obviously as well. So I will leave, I know it was Paula from A Beauty Guru made me do it. She was the video that I actually initially saw, but if I can remember to link the other girl that is, I can't remember her name. Why can I not remember her name? I feel like I remembered it last time. I don't know. I will try to link them both down below, or try to remember if I'm being good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this update. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I'm kind of enjoying using my advent calendar throughout the year, as opposed to hurry up, use everything within the month of December. And I'm getting a lot of use out of my items. Yes, I am using my sample sizes, but what's wrong with that? Just finish them up, and then you can move on to full sizes if you want. So yeah, I guess this would kind of be like my sample project pan as well too. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.